let's learn some alphabets, okay? A starts with let's learn some alphabets. So A is for
Apple to eat apple.
eat apple. B is for
Ball.
ball. C is for
C is for
mm,
cat.
D is for
dog.
E is for
Woof 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 woof.
dogs. Woof woof. E is for
Everyone said to put the egg in the cheek.
elephant. F is for
Frog like ribbit, the ribbit.
G is for
Gold one. Ma.
H is for how about H?
That is for
Mm.
hat to put on it.
Yeah, hat to put on the head. Okay. How about I? I is for
Icicle.
icicle.
And ice cream.
And ice cream. How about J?
It's on.
Huh? How about J? J is for
Jump.
jump. Good. How about K? K is for
Kangaroo.
huh?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Say kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
How about L? L is for L.
Why? Why?
How about M? M is for what's that?
Mouse.
A mouse. Okay, mouse. How about letter N?
N is for a nest.
Nest for the
Chickens.
yeah chicken. Chicken have nests or birds. Good.
Nest of birds.
Yeah. How about O? O is for
Orange is for
orange to eat. Sweet. How about P? P is for
pom pom.
pom pom. How about Q?
Yeah, it's for queen.
Queen.
I give you a surprise for you.
I'll give you a surprise for me. Okay. How about R?
It's for rabbit one.
Rabbit. Like hop, hop. Yeah. How about S?
S is for
His legs slithering like a snake.
eating.
How about T? Wow. How about T?
For
T is for
for
mm,
B is for pom pom.
no T. T.
D is for
Ah.
uh
Tiger.
tiger.
Can you make the tiger sound?
Look.
Rawr. How about U? U is for
Look at you.
you can. How about you?
Thanks for kissing me.
Oh, you're welcome. I kiss you again. How about you? U is for
I'm Brian to eat. I'm Brian. I'm Brian and the Pokemon.
Umbreon from the Pokemon. Good. How about W?
For
Mm.
zebra.
No, W is for water
Water.
or whale.
A squirtle.
Squirtle starts with letter S. How about X?
And
How about V? I forgot letter V. V is for
I'm Brian.
no. V is for violin. Ding 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 like that. How about Y?
For
Y is for
snack.
snack. Y is for yo-yo, the toy or a yacht. How about X? X is for
X.
It's for xylophone. How about Z? How about letter Z? Letter C is for the animals that have black and white stripes. What animals is that?
Zebra.
Zebra. Good. High five. Good job.
I can go down.